Healthy habits for happy kids. Eat, move, sleep. Are you ready to learn how to keep your body strong and your mind happy? Let's discover some easy ways to stay healthy and feel great every day. Eat good food. Your body needs yummy food to grow strong. Eat lots of fruits, veggies, and healthy snacks like nuts and yogurt. Drink water or milk to stay hydrated and strong. Move and play. Exercise is like a fun game for your body. Run, jump, and play with your friends outside. You can also dance, skip, or ride your bike to keep your body moving and happy. Sleep well. Your body needs rest to be super strong. Make sure you have a cozy bed and a quiet room to sleep in. Try to go to bed at the same time every night and wake up feeling refreshed and ready for a new day of fun. By eating good food, playing lots, and sleeping well, you'll have the energy to play, learn, and have fun every day. So let's start making these healthy habits together and be the happiest, healthiest kids around.